Welcome to Japan. Perasaanku campur aduk, sumpah. Bahagia, excited, deg-degan. Apa yang membuatmu kaget pertama kali kesini adalah disambut dengan hujan kecil yang sangat seru banget di sini. Terus tempatnya tuh klasik gitu. Ya, aku mau ke arah Ginza. Oh, amazing. Wah, mencapai guys. Oh my god. All people need me to help them to take a picture. Is it in, you know, this place? The area from Sensuji Temple is the old temple in Japan. They built around 6 to 8 in the century. Wow, it's so old. Actually, today is a raining day, but the raining it's so there's like pouring. It's a whole day because I came in the morning and then yes, so beautiful. I like it. There's so many people come here because it's very popular. I thought I need something to eat. This area is quite huge. They believe or faith for the devil, or was it like fortune, lucky for fortune life. They sell charm here for lucky and some for anything that they wish. I think I cannot go enter. After World War, is it already burned? And then they built funding from all the people in Japan. Yeah, I'm on the side of this temple because so many people in front of this temple. I was thinking like it's combined with the, I see it, with the temple like Chinese or what? Because I thought it's like similar with some of, but I will check it first. But the fact is, this is the old Buddhist temple in Tokyo. It's my first place that I came. Actually, after I check it in the hotel, I'm sleeping because I'm really tired. I sleep 1 hour and I go out and still raining. Around of this temple, is it like maybe the street area? And I'm looking for a halal restaurant. I got it. This is the authentic Wagyu. Yeah, so let's go to try that one. Halal authentic Wagyu. It's in Japan. Let's go. I think I go for the first store, but they close, and then the owner, I think they put me there Oh my god. I think it's so good. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Okay, so we're gonna try part 2 because I think it's like the special places. It's halal around of in Azakisa. We got Wagyu beef udon and takoyaki. It's around 2780. I never get it, but it feels very huge. First size though, it's like still cutting.
皆様がよくご存知な花笠温度サウンドチェック